Introducing Trilogy at Verde River, where vibrant desert living meets luxury and adventure. Nestled in Arizona's breathtaking landscape, this community offers a unique blend of relaxation and excitement. Hi, I'm Kim Nathanson with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Arizona Properties. Let me introduce you to your new home. Imagine waking up to panoramic mountain views with the sun rising over 4 peaks and this beautiful mountain range. This is the backdrop to a life filled with world-class amenities and an active community. Play golf on the Tom Lehman-inspired 18-hole golf course. Serve up aces on the tennis courts, or enjoy a game of pickleball on the many courts available. The community center is a hub of wellness and connection, featuring the Alvea Spa, fitness facilities, group classes, and a range of social activities that bring like-minded individuals together. Relax by the heated pool or treat yourself at Eddie's Diner. And speaking of homes, let's step inside one. This is the Orion open concept floor plan, a luxurious oasis. The chef's dream kitchen boasts GE Monogram gourmet appliances, a spacious leathered granite island, and an abundant counter and cabinet space. The main living space features soaring ceilings, a beautiful custom stone media wall, and an electric fireplace. 3 ensuite bedrooms provide ample space and privacy for family and guests, with the primary suite offering a stunning sunrise view and a spa-like bathroom for your daily pampering. This property offers so many possibilities. The front room can be used as an office or den, and the flex space off the kitchen can be used as a media room, workout room, or additional office. Step outside to the extended covered patio with a hot tub, where you can unwind while gazing at the mountains. The expansive, landscaped backyard is an open canvas, waiting for endless opportunities. This Trilogy home offers both luxury and privacy and is just a short walk from the clubhouse. Are you ready to live the Trilogy lifestyle? If so, contact me, Kim Nathanson, at 480-512-2501.